How do I get profitable so fast? Well, let me tell you this exactly. This is what you need to do. First, you need a job that pays your bills. You need to not rely on this. If you have someone who's supporting you and letting you do this full time and letting you like really run with this, then do exactly what I say and don't try to figure it out on your own because that hasn't been working. Second thing, you need to chase a loving, living a lifestyle. You're gonna get all this money, but then what? I promise you nothing's gonna change at all. You might be more generous or you might be more evil. I'm telling you right now, you need to work on yourself now. Getting this money is not going to change anything. It's going to change a single thing. You will never reach profitability if you do not love yourself. So you need to put in the work and start loving yourself now. An extreme example of this is if you're a narcissist, you're very aware that you're a narcissist. You need to work on it and go to therapy now, see a psychiatrist, so on, whatever. The other end of this is being depressed, not showing up for others when they always show up for you, and just not showing up for yourself in general. That needs to be fixed. You need to buckle up, do something about it, wake up early, sleep early, start taking action on your life, change your life now. Okay, so we have job that pays the bills, bills are paid. We have strong mentality. What next? We need to find a mechanical strategy. Is that we need what that means is we're finding something that we can mimic, copy like a checklist. So we come trade the market following the checklist. So I got one. Surprise, surprise. Your next step would be to get a mentor who has mastered the strategy that you want to master, so the mechanical strategy. The last thing is showing up. You have to show up. That means that you need to practice trade, you need to journal, you need to do all that good stuff to quickly master the strategy. So my strategy is so easy. Okay, so it's called NNT. I'm looking for these three things again and again and again. It's so easy to spot. I have a million videos on my strategy all over my YouTube channel. I have backtest videos. It's where I practice trade. I even trade live Monday through Friday from 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time. Every single day trading this strategy, nothing else at all. I have NNT Plus. It's a little bit different than what this is, but it's almost the same thing. All we're doing is looking for this pattern again and again throughout these candlesticks. We just look for these patterns to bet up or down. I can use this pattern to understand if we're going up or if we're going down. And after I find out if we're going up or down, I then am capable to bet and gamble if we're going up or down. So if I'm right, I make money, and if I'm wrong, I lose money. All I need is to average over a 55% win rate to be profitable in this market. I can average over an 85. I can even get up to a 90% win rate. This happens because I do so much to gauge direction. And if I can do it, you can do it too, off one mechanical solid strategy and nothing else. So we're not going to be using any indicators at all. We're going to use nothing. All we're doing is looking for this pattern and trading this pattern. That is it. So if you don't want to go with me, you want to go with a different mentor, hope they do the same things as I do. We go by going over trades with the mentees. I make them submit their trades, then I can understand what they're doing wrong. I can nitpick everything. That's what you want. You want somebody who's going to look through your trades and tell you how to do it better so you can quickly improve. I say 8 hours of going through all my data. The fastest someone was able to lock on and understand this completely was 6 hours. And the longest as taking somebody is 15 hours of work. So a good medium is 8 hours. If you show up, you put in the work to understand this and really just apply everything you can, just join the mentorship, and it's super affordable. I even have live streams for you to ask me questions anytime. You will quickly grasp this and quickly be able to execute again and again. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Please join me for my live streams, 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time. I love doing what I do. I love the mentorship. It's fun. I even have a free Discord. It's in the bio. I have prop account discount codes. I got all this stuff in the description. Just check the description out, please. But alrighty, I'll TTYL. I love y'all, and I'll see you another time.